this is Jen from Scrapping Posh again. I'm here with another 4x4.5 by 2-inch thick mini. And this is another school album, but this is more of a high school album slash graduation album. It has some holographic stickers on it. This one says congratulations. There is a cap here with some books under it. And then the paper itself has some gold foil, so that's really neat. This one has all 4-page designs in it. So there's some like high school words here as far as school goes: child development, French, drawing, chemistry, algebra, stuff that you wouldn't find in the elementary paper pack. And then the first page here is freshman, so perfect to put a little freshman commemorative in there. And it has a tag. All the pages have a tag. And then in the back, each page has like a file folder like this. Oh, it's blank on the inside. They're all the same. And then at least one tag. Some of them have more than one tag. And this one looks like a notebook paper, but that is cardstock. Okay. This one's got, they look like little gears on it, and some cool like lined old school paper. And the notebook, or the little file folder here, and then the note card, or photo mat, small photo mat, 3.5 by 2.5. Then this one lifts up, a little stuck there. It's got some extra glue on it. I'll rub it off. And then this one is the sophomore page. So again, commemorative of your sophomore year here. You don't want to cover up all the sophomore, but there's plenty of room for pictures. And then the tag. There's some nice music notes on there. And it says lockers, clubs, car, dance. And then this page on the back is the belly band with the photo mat and the file folder. And if you have any questions about like how to put pictures in these, I will link the video below that I actually decorate one of these out in like a school dance kind of way for my daughter's homecoming. There's a tag, file folder, and then the outside of this says sophomore, but the inside says junior. So here's you have sophomore here, and then you have sophomore here, and then on the inside of this is junior. So because there was no I guess I could have put it here, but I didn't, so that's that. Another tag. And there's a little bit of rah 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 in case you got a cheerleader. This is the file folder. School days says on that one. Another one of those. This one says graduation. It says congratulations, but it's like you see it tone on tone. There's another tag. This neat little collage paper. Very reminiscent of high school. 2 mats in the pockets, in the pocket pages. There's your little graduation caps. And then your file folder there. And then nice place to put a photo on that last page. And there we go. So that is the high school or congratulations mini album for graduates. So cute idea. a very small project. I think it only took me an hour to decorate the one that I did, and what a cute idea for someone who, you don't have to be a scrapbooker to do this. So, alright guys, the link is in the description below. This will be on my Etsy shop, so we'll see you later. Thanks, bye bye.